What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create a miner with GoMining. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to GoMining, and while the app is open, you can see here we're currently under the Home tab, and at the top area you can see Create Miner. So you can tap on it and it's going to take you to this page where you can set up your miner. The first option is to set your computing power. We're going to leave it at level 1, but you could choose any other level, such as number 4, but the higher you go, the more it's going to cost you. So we're going to also choose the energy efficiency. We're going to leave it at optimal. And here you can choose to see your estimated profit. You can see the BTC price, the maintenance is on GoMining, or you can switch to BTC. And then here you can see your miner trade. So you can tap on it to make some preferences to your miner. After you've done that, you can come over here and tap on Pay with Apple. If you're not willing to pay with Apple, you can tap on All Methods. And here you can change if you want to pay by card or by crypto at the top here. If you're choosing to pay by card, you're going to choose your country. And depending on the country, you're going to have different options. So this is for Australia. And if you're choosing another country, such as Austria, you can see Apple Pay and by card. If you choose Argentina, you have other options. Of course, you have the option to pay with crypto, and you could choose these options. When you've made your choice, you can tap on Pay, and it's going to take you to the page where you can make your payment completed. When your payment is complete, your miner will be created successfully. So this is how to create a miner with GoMining.